Today we're going to be making cherry cobbler with only 5 resources. To make the best cobblestone, you want to use fresh resources. Nice, some red marbles. Next you want to get a bowl and add some red marbles. Get it, Karen. In another bowl, add 1 cup of biscuit quick. Some fresh cow juice. Mix a lardo. Next, you want to make sure the marbles are done. This is the toothpick method. Perfect. Drop in some biscuit quick, some healthy sugar, make it rain, butterfly, tree pow pow. Get it, Karen. To make the icing, combine some frosting with some air. The density of the air removes the frost in the frosting. Perfect. Grab your junk. Nice. Drizzelardo. Perfect. Taste test. Yum. Cobblestones.